Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how I make the authentic Ghanaian Kaalomo or goat pepper soup. Yes, if you haven't tried this recipe, trust me, you need to try OBAAPA'S recipe. This has been a while since I made this one, so I decided to share with you how I prepare my authentic Ghanaian goat pepper sauce or pepper soup. So first of all, we're going to need fresh goat meat. I got the fresh goat meat from a goat market, and I actually purchased a full goat and I decided to use some for this recipe. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going to make sure that everything is nice and clean. Like I'm doing right here, it got a lot of blood in it, so you have to make sure that you wash everything very nice and clean. So I ended up washing this meat at least twice and scrape all those black stuff off from it. So on this part, I'm going to cut some onion right here. I'm using only half. This recipe is going to be a very simple recipe that everybody can easily make at home. So yeah, just get your half onion, dice them into small sizes. That is what I'm showing you right here. In typical Ghanaian style, they usually cut them and then add them on the meat. They don't even add any extra spicy in it. You know, that is like the village style, and I'm trying to make it exactly how we prepare in Ghana. Alright friends, so after you dice your onion, go ahead and get all your pot ready. So we're gonna start adding our meat in this pot, and I'm gonna start using at least a medium heat to prepare this meat. Alright, so as you can tell, I have all the goodies in here. I got all the intestines and, you know, fresh goat meat with the skin and everything. So with the spices, I'm using here organic Adobo, but you can use any favorite season of your choice. And of course, I have here Egye, our rare. That is my favorite spice. Yeah, if you're in Ghana, you can get some from your local market or, you know, grocery shopping. And even if you're here, you can get some from any African market near you. Alright, so on this part, I have here my chili pepper. You can use cayenne pepper, you can use pepper powder. It depends on your taste. So after you add everything, go ahead and add your onion right here, the one that we just diced them up. That is the pepper to add. Alright friends, so after we added all our spices, our onion, everything looks so great. It's smelling really nice. You can tell that the goat is really fresh. Go ahead and add some salt for your taste, okay? After you add your salt, you know, you can get some warm water, and you can add 2 cups or even 1.5 cups. Yes, with female goat meat, it takes longer to cook than the male, and what I have here is a male goat, so of course it's gonna cook faster. Alright, so give it a little stir, cover it and have it steam. Yes, make sure that you steam for about 20 minutes. Okay, so on this side I have my onion, ginger, pepper, garlic right here, like how we usually make in Ghana. We're gonna blend everything and then we're gonna add it into the meat. So this is how it looks like after 20 minutes. As you can tell, it's almost done cooking. It's like halfway. So this is the perfect time to add all your garlic, ginger, pepper blend, you know, and then just stir. This way it gives the meat a really nice flavor because you're taking the time to season it. So cover it back on and have it steam for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we have here fresh tomatoes. I'm adding about 6 of them. And because you're making this goat meat pepper sauce, so you don't need any tomato paste or tomato sauce in it. Everything has to be fresh. So at this point, as you can tell, the meat has seasoned and cooked into perfection. It smells really beautiful. Like I wish you can smell this right here. So go ahead and dab the blended tomato. That's the fresh tomato that you just blend. Add it into the sauce and then stir a little bit. You can rinse the blender just to get, you know, the extra water in there. And then after you add that, you can add, you know, your pepper if you want extra spicy. You can add pepper, you can add your garlic, you can add ginger for extra flavor, like what I'm doing right here. It really helps because authentic Ghana Kaalomo, they say, you know, exactly how you want to prepare this. This sauce will be so amazing. So my dad actually told me that it's better that we blend fresh pepper also on the side. and I'm very happy that he's helping me on that part because this is his favorite recipe as well. I remember growing up, he used to prepare this for us a lot. And of course, he did a very good job blending everything. So he has here ginger, garlic, a little bit of pepper on the side, you know. And add your salt and then blend everything into smooth. Not completely smooth, no, just how you want to enjoy it with the soup, okay? And this is an option though, you don't have to, but I think when you do it, it's just gonna boost the flavor, and that is how we want it. So everything looks really nice and looks really delicious, Ankasa. Alright friends, so in Ghana they usually enjoy this with fresh wine or palm wine, you know, non-alcohol beverages included also. But you know, also you can eat with your rice or fufu. It's just as simple and easy and very authentic, as you can tell. So I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Thank you so much for cooking with me. And of course, I have here my pepper on the side. Remember, just to boost the taste of this amazing God-made pepper sauce. And so this weekend, I'm going to encourage you to try this recipe. And also, don't forget to share for us. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.